What's up guys, VST here, Vanspis Tech. This is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and a new update, Expert RAW 22 megabytes. And what is new guys here, image quality improvement and other bug fixes. But there is a note that it's very interesting, please use it after the latest software update, alright? And as you might probably already know, I'm running the latest One UI Beta 5, the third update guys, so it's the third beta. And something very interesting, I wanted to shoot some pics with the previous version and then with the latest one, and I'm not able to guys, so I don't really have any other options but to update this guys, shoot some pics, put it in my video and then provide my feedback. Has this been really improved or not? But sadly, no way to just test the previous version. So here I am guys, I've hit the update button and you can hit the subscribe button guys. I'm gonna open the camera right now, take some pics and wow. Alright, we're gonna see how this ends up. So first things first guys, I need to go back and restore my settings because I'm doing some tests guys, and yep, I will need to go back and put everything to auto just to make sure that I have really some nice background fantastic. So right now everything's gonna be back to auto guys, and I'm gonna be able to take some of my first pics. One sneak preview from the settings to just make sure that everything remains the same. We have high efficiency RAW, which will allow us to save some space. Although capturing RAW pictures in this high efficiency format, we're going to be saving the RAW and the JPEG formats. Now we have something called the Auto HDR, which will allow us to capture more details in the bright and dark areas. I'm going to enable this, and also guys, tracking autofocus. Everything else pretty much the same. So now without any further ado guys, I'm going to be doing my first picture and let's see how this will end up. One thing that stands out guys, I think, is the speed. It seems that the speed has been improved, or at least I'm able really to capture photos really at higher speed compared to previously. Okay, let me just focus that one and I'm gonna show you what I mean guys. See here, when I press the shutter button, boom, no joke here guys, we can see 22 megabyte almost the RAW picture and almost 4 megabytes the JPEG one. Let me just do more shots. Alright guys, now it's time to review the samples. How are we able to identify which one is JPEG, which one is RAW? It's very easy guys. When you click on the gallery and you scroll down to the picture that is RAW, we're gonna get this indication here saying RAW, right? And I can tell you guys, the images are really stunning. There is a very nice level of detail, and also autofocus did a very nice job. The colors are very much well exposed, and I do like the bokeh effect, which is really insane on this very big 108 megapixel sensor. I did a sequence of photos guys trying to illustrate really the great possibilities that you're able to achieve while using the Expert RAW. And have in mind that scenarios like this one here, this is the RAW picture, scenarios like this one are very challenging. We have very dynamic lighting that was early in the morning, and it's not so easy for smartphone cameras to try to capture this level of dynamics. See here guys, this is the RAW picture, right? We see that it's very well exposed. We can just see the cutouts are almost perfect. Notice here mind shadow guys, and also the sun behind. Maybe the clouds and etc. are not exposed into the best way, but just take a look at this. The level of detail is really great, and because it's RAW, you are able to further manipulate it. And although it might be a bit more overexposed, the details are pretty awesome. And when you put everything on auto, you're really able to get and achieve these great results. This one also, by the way. And I was also using the standard camera application and also the Expert RAW just to see if there is any difference in the HDR, the dynamics captured and applied, and I was not able to capture something. This one, I'm very proud of this one. This one looks really like from an iStock photo catalog. It's really almost not possible to believe that you're able to achieve this just with a smartphone camera. This one I shot on purpose to try to capture and demonstrate the dynamics. This is the RAW format, and again, everything is pretty well exposed. Look at this guys, look at the level of details. What we have here is a very nice exposure. We can see almost like real colors from the clouds. We can also see the color of the sky. Some very nice dynamics in this picture as well. Here we have some shade, here we have the sunny part, the clouds and the sky colors are captured, I would say, really very accurately. And this camera is really great if you want to further manipulate your pictures. That's the best way to go. You can edit the white balance and of course some other things. See, this is exactly the same scenario, guys, and this here is the raw picture, and I think this is the last picture. So overall, yes, the quality right now of the expert camera is really on par with the standard camera application. So if you have some hobbies or interest into the area of smartphone photography and you do own a smartphone from Samsung that does support this, you should not have any excuse, but you should be using the Expert RAW camera. And do you know what you else should be using? Yeah, subscription to this channel, guys. That would be really fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.